Welcome back to my channel. So today my video is about to applying some aloe vera mask in my face. So it's good for your dry skin and also good for your sunburn. I have lots of sunburn in here, so let's try it. Let's go. So I wash my face, so I need hot water with one towel. This is the towel, and I'm gonna pour this like this. I'm using this brush and egg white to remove my blackheads. Use the tissue paper. Okay, leave it for dry. Right. Okay, leave it for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes, okay? It's done. Now I want to wash my face. So don't forget to apply facial mist. It's good for your skin, and pure rose water. Not done. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you in next video. Bye bye.